All right, well, hello friends. We are on a new adventure today. We are in downtown Seattle. We're going to go around here the city and check out all the fun places to see and fun things to do. Why don't you come along with us? I'm checking out the Seattle gum wall. What you think? It's gross. Yeah, I don't think I would be touching it. So this gum wall down here in downtown Seattle, as odd as it is, just shows you what a fun and eclectic city this is. That this something like this would be would become famous. Well, it's virtually impossible to see everything there is to see down here in downtown Seattle. We're only down here for a day, and then we're moving on to go down to Mount Rainier. But if you're kind of looking for some fun things to do, just down here by the Pike Place Market, all along the waterfront, that's definitely a lot of fun, cool things to see. Just kind of gives you a little taste of this funky city. Having a good time so far?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and we've been to Seattle several times, and I mean, it's just impossible to see everything there is to see in the city on even just a short trip like the one we're taking. But we're having a blast. And again, like I mentioned earlier, it's just an eclectic city. There's a lot of cool stuff to check out while you're here. So what do you think about hanging out downtown?
What a beautiful city.
Yeah, it's fun. And we've had really good weather. It's sunny, it's nice down here.
Beautiful today.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. In fact, it's very crowded. Doesn't really matter what time of year you come. We're here on a Thursday right now, and it's super crowded down here in downtown Seattle. But like I said before, there's just all kinds of fun stuff to see and do. All right, let's go see some more. Cool, we found a fine and funky place to eat dinner tonight, the 5 Point Cafe right here in downtown Seattle. We're gonna go in here and check this place out. All right, so yeah, if you are in Seattle, especially by the Space Needle in the Seattle Center, you're gonna definitely have to give that 5 Points Cafe a try. It was really good, huh? Really, really good.
Yeah.
All right, let's go cruise around town a little more. Well, we are having some epic views up here at the Space Needle. Man, it's an awesome view of the city. You definitely got to check this out. All right, you having fun up here on the Space Needle?
Amazing.
Yeah, it's
This is
awesome,
amazing.
awesome views. I know it's kind of a touristy thing to do here while you're in Seattle, Washington, but if you get a chance to, especially if it's a clear day, you definitely have to come up here.
It's a must.
All right, well, that's going to do it for us here in downtown Seattle. We had a great time, fun city. Obviously, still didn't even scratch the surface of all the cool stuff there is to do down here. But we're glad you came along with us, and thank you for watching the Butler Family Adventures.